Are you a hands-on leader with a passion for building systems, sustainability, and operational excellence? If you're ready to take the next step in your facility's career, Fairfax County Government invites you to bring your expertise where it truly matters, to the communities we serve every day. As a chief building engineer, you'll play a critical role in maintaining and improving the physical backbone of our organization. Reporting directly to a facilities manager or division director of operations and maintenance, you'll oversee the performance, safety, and sustainability of multiple county properties. Lead, maintain, improve. You'll plan, implement, and coordinate comprehensive operations and maintenance programs across assigned campuses and zones, ensuring our buildings remain safe, reliable, and operating at their best. Your technical leadership will shine as you inspect, maintain, and repair essential building systems, while also advancing energy efficiency and sustainability initiatives that support long-term environmental responsibility. At the heart of this role is leadership. You'll provide daily supervision and mentorship to skilled trades professionals across HVAC, electrical, plumbing, and general building maintenance, building strong teams and driving performance through clear communication and accountability. You'll also leverage a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, to organize work, prioritize tasks, track performance, and deliver meaningful reports to leadership, ensuring data-driven decisions and continuous improvement. With responsibility for budgets, procurement, and financial performance, you'll manage resources effectively across a large commercial portfolio, helping maintain over 400,000 square feet of critical facilities. Safety, reliability, service. Safety and compliance are key. You'll ensure all work meets required standards and best practices, while implementing preventative maintenance programs that extend the life of building systems and equipment. This position is designated Emergency Essential and offers a flexible schedule to meet operational needs, including on-call, overtime, and callback responsibilities, because the work you do truly matters. If you bring strong leadership, proven supervisory experience, and a commitment to excellence in facilities operations, we invite you to join a team where your skills will have a lasting impact. Build something that lasts. Lead where it matters. Apply today and become a chief building engineer with Fairfax County Government.